Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are here in Malaysia and we have come to see the largest mosque in Malaysia. And the name of this mosque is the National Mosque of Malaysia. So now we will go inshallah inside the mosque. We will pray 2 rak'ah sunnah prayer over here. And inshallah even if we get chance we will pray our Maghrib prayer and I will show you the whole interior and explain you the history about this mosque. This black color is what? Sweet?
Black sugar.
Black sugar, okay.
Green color, rice flour.
This is rice flour?
Ah.
Okay. So Bismillah, let's taste. Chendol is your name.
Chendol.
Chendol. Let's taste chendol.
Signature drink.
Signature drink in Malaysia. Bismillah.
Malaysia famous drink.
It tastes like very milky and it has like coconut flavor. Huh, Baba? Okay, wait. So guys, before we enter mosque, some delicious coconut. Big size, huh, brother? It's good. Big? Sweet? Sweet?
I don't know.
I need one sweet one. Only one. Masjid Negara, one of the most beautiful and significant landmarks in Kuala Lumpur. This mosque isn't an architecture wonder, it is the symbol of Malaysia's independence. It was officially opened in 1965, just few years after the country gained freedom from the British rule. And the design, it's a modern take on Islamic architecture. Me being a Muslim, before entering the mosque, I had to perform wudu or ablution. It's a ritual washing Muslims do before prayer. It's not just about physical cleanliness, but also spiritual purity. Washing the hands, face and feet prepares the body and mind to stand before the God in prayer. It's a moment of calm and respect before stepping into a sacred place. This mosque is open for Muslims and non-Muslims, for tourists, for everyone. So before you enter the mosque, you can come to this area, this section. Over here, there are some cloths. So if men are wearing shorts or women are not wearing appropriate dress, they can take these type of full clothing and cover themselves up and then they can go to the mosque. And if you want to visit washroom is underground downstairs. And one more thing, if you're coming with kids and with stroller, you cannot take the stroller to the mosque. You'll have to park it over here. Oh, the stairs are like quite different because it's protruding towards outside. So from the mosque itself, you can have a look at Merdeka 118, the second tallest building in Malaysia. And rising high above all is the minaret, standing tall at 73 meters. That's over 240 feet, visible from various parts of the city. One of the first things you'll notice is the massive 16-pointed star roof. It's not just a cool shape, it represents the unity of Malaysia's 13 states and 3 federal territories. So subhanallah, this is the decor and the dome of this mosque, which is in green and blue color. And over here there is a fountain, but I think right now it's not working. This mosque can host more than 15,000 worshippers at once. Imagine the energy here during the Friday prayers or on Eid. But even when it is quiet, the entire space feels incredibly peaceful. Inside the main prayer hall, the architecture is simple but powerful. There is enormous chandelier hanging from the ceiling.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
And the walls are decorated with Islamic calligraphy and geometric design. You won't find any human or animal figures here, just beautiful patterns that reflect Islamic artistic tradition. And get this, the mosque is surrounded by 13 acres of garden. It is inspired by Islamic garden design with fountains, palm trees and shaded walkways that make it perfect spot to slow down and reflect. The open courtyard, the sound of the flowing water and the echoes of the soft footsteps makes it feel like a sanctuary in the middle of the city. So guys, our National Mosque of Malaysia tour comes to an end. Right now the time is 7:18 and it's going to become dark. So now we are going to our hotel and tomorrow we have a flight, so we'll have to leave our hotel at 2 o'clock and then by 3 o'clock we'll reach airport. And then at 7 o'clock our flight is back to Bahrain. So now we have decided to walk to our hotel because the distance is just 1.5 kilometers away. So we are just going to walk and explore the area around. So let's begin, start.
Ah, yeah.
So guys, here we get special dosa. Hamda, coconut water. The area which I chose to stay in is KL Central, and this is the hotel where I'm living. Metro Hotel KL Central. And Alhamdulillah, this hotel is a budget hotel, but it was extremely clean hotel, and the service was really nice, and the room was big. I'll be showing you that. And the best part is, as soon as you get down from the hotel, there is a Halal restaurant. It's a Muslim cafe restaurant where you get everything from rice, from chicken, meat, everything is available here in the restaurant. And there is another restaurant at the back of it. It's called Banana Restaurant. That is also an amazing restaurant. And the railway station is right behind this. And there is one more railway station over there. There is even a laundry service over here. So basically everything is available in this area. If you want to stay in budget, over here it's really affordable, like almost 9 or 10 kg clothes, or maybe even more than that I got, and I have to pay just like 10 ringgit. I will show you how in the machine. And then for the dryer, again I have to pay 8 or 10 ringgit for drying. So in total just 20 ringgits to almost wash like 13 kg 14 kg of clothes. So all you have to do, these are the options. You come over here, you put a 10 ringgit note right over here, and you will get 10 coins. And then you take to these type of washers over here. This is a big size, 30 down it's written 31, 30 written down, it's written here 16 kg. So this is the one which I took. I put all my clothes inside, and I just have to put the 10 coins here and press wash. So now it's taking 23 minutes to wash, and detergent, sanitizer, everything gets dispensed from here. So this is the 10 ringgits. All you do is keep it here, and then you dryer. So the washing has been finished. Now I will take the clothes. And then the dryer starts. So you have to wait now 31 minutes. Machine number 3. It gets dried and everything. So we'll wash everything and take it to Bahrain. So at Bahrain we don't have much work to do. Right now the time is 4:17 in the morning, and we are here at the KL International Airport. So we are having our flight back to Bahrain. Right now for Saudi Arabian Airline, for Saudi Airline, the counter is on K. So let's go and check in our bags, and then we'll see what we have to do, because the flight is going to be at 7 a.m. We'll take off at 7:05 a.m. Ghanem, are you happy? Where are we going? Bahrain. Amina, are you happy? Where are we going? Bahrain. Right now the time is 4:43 a.m. in the morning, and we are super hungry, so there is nothing where we can eat. So we just came at KFC, and we have got some whole chicken which we'll eat quickly. 6:30 is our boarding, so we'll quickly finish eating from here because we have to go to another terminal by bus. Right now the time is 6:26 in the morning. Alhamdulillah, we have prayed our Fajr prayer here in Jama'ah. We have prayed in group, in congregation, in the airport itself, and the plane has been attached on the gate. Now they have announced already the boarding has started. So Alhamdulillah, we have finished our Fajr prayer and we'll go into the flight. And the best thing about Saudi Airlines is that when it will be Dhuhr prayer time, we can pray inside the aeroplane only, and I will show you that how we can pray inside the aeroplane.
We going Bahrain.
So we are going Bahrain. Are you excited, Ghanem? Are you excited? And I think this time we are not going to get three seats together so we can sleep peacefully because there is a big group which is going for Umrah. So the plane is very crowded. I think the plane is full. So once we go inside, then only we'll come to know what is the situation. So guys, a beautiful trip comes to an end. There were so many ups and downs in this trip, and we got to learn so much also in this trip about us, how we are traveling with the kids.
I can't see.
Come down, come down.
I'm done. Bye bye.
Hi guys, buddy, I'm Bahrain.
Amina, we should window seat. Amina, are you excited? Amina, where is your window seat? Amina, show me. Wow. So guys, we have a special chair with this much leg room, and this is whole space for us.
Hello. We got in Bahrain. Today we got in the Mama State Beach.
So guys, our distance from Kuala Lumpur to Jeddah. Right now the time in Kuala Lumpur is 6:52. At 7 our flight will take off, and the distance is and the time to reach Jeddah is around 8 hours and 40 minutes.
Okay. Oh, socks?
Yeah.
You like it? Yeah. And pouch. Toys. This?
So guys, now the time is 8:30 in the morning. Apple juice. We have a strawberry yogurt, some fruits, and egg and rice. Ghanim was enjoying Paw Patrol cartoon on the flight, and Amina and Hamdan just slept. So guys, I had taken 3 seats and given my wife 3 seats so we can sleep for the next 7 hours as if we are flying on the business class. Alhamdulillah, after food now I can just peacefully sleep.
Where is your food tray?
Are you taking the clothes go? You want what clothes to diet? It is eating time. Mama, would it be very funny?
Yeah. हाँ बाद में
So guys, now we are in Indian airspace near the Kochi. Colombo is already crossed. So guys, mashallah, over here in Jeddah it looks beautiful because after every little spot you can see there are gardens, there are playgrounds, there are community areas. So it's looking really amazing from the sky. Like see small playgrounds, walking areas, gardens, trees, somewhere you get to see plantations. So Alhamdulillah, we have landed here in Jeddah, and the flight from Kuala Lumpur to Jeddah took almost around 9.5 hours. And now we have another 5 hours of waiting, then 2.5 hours flight from Jeddah to Bahrain. So now we are super hungry. We'll go and eat the favorite meal of my kids, which is al-bake. So these men are cleaning the airport in Jeddah airport. Here also we have people who are risking their life and cleaning. So guys, here at Jeddah Airport Al Baik, you will not get the whole chicken. You will only get the chicken nuggets, and 7-piece chicken nuggets is for 19 riyal.
Amina? Oh, Amina! Okay.
Today we got in Bahrain.
So guys, a beautiful trip comes to an end. Our Singapore is done, Malaysia is done. Now we'll go to Bahrain, and inshallah we will rest, and then inshallah we'll go Europe and many places.
ضيوفنا الأعزاء من أجل سلامتكم وراحتكم
Thanks a lot guys for watching the vlog till end. If you have any questions about travel, comment and I will be answering to you.